Little welcome, boys and girls, to another short horror movie reaction. You guys have absolutely supported the challenge video where I was announcing the walk later next month. You guys absolutely supported it, and a lot of you said that you are living down that way, so maybe I could end up meeting some of you guys down there. That would be pretty cool to maybe feature in the video, but a lot of you guys are supporting it, so thank you guys so much for that. Today's video is on a film called Latch, another horror film from Crypt TV. So we're waiting for maybe chapter 3 of Founders Day to come out, because a lot of you are really enjoying that. So hopefully chapter 3 will be out soon. And let me know, guys, if you would like to see different reactions other than horror films. Maybe like reacting to Vikings, The Walking Dead when it comes back, or the Game of Thrones, or any other programme or something like that. If you'd like to see that, just let me know. If you want to give me any ideas on what to react to, or you can leave a comment section down below. You can let me know over on Twitter. You can find all that link in the description below. And you can also find in the description below the link to the original video, so please show your support to the original guys who made this film, and also show your support to Crypt TV, who just keep pushing out these amazing short horror films. Follow their YouTube, and then make sure you follow the Twitter as well, because they're always pushing out amazing horror films. And yeah, this one's on Latch, another different short horror movie. So yeah, if we can have 10 likes for this video, that'll be amazing. I know we're nearly hitting 10 likes on the still video, so if you haven't seen that, you can find it in the link below. Definitely check that out if you haven't seen it as well. But like I said, if we can have 10 likes, that'll be amazing. Please hit that subscribe button and join the Batman army. Yeah, I'm aiming for maybe hitting 450 before Christmas. That'd be an amazing Christmas present, guys. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe right now and join the Batman army. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification button to get notified when I upload daily. I'm going to try and upload them maybe a bit earlier. By the minute, they'll be coming out about 8 PM, 9 PM, or very, very late. But I want to try and push them maybe out around 3 PM for you guys. But I know this one's going to be another late one. So yeah, don't forget to turn on that notification bell for when I do upload. And yeah, let's get into it. Whoa. That's an image to start right off on, isn't it?
Hold out the match and say, "Show me the light or leave me in the darkness."
Show me the light or leave me in the darkness.
If you hear
Are you going to stay in the dark now?
Turn away, light the match, and wait. Do not look back. But if you look, you might see something looking back at you.
So it's like a Bloody Mary game sort of thing. Bloody Mary, Candyman.
Or I can...
Oh, I'll do it. And now it's all going to go wrong.
Show me the light or leave me in the darkness. Show me the light or leave me in the darkness.
So is someone banging in there, or? Whoa.
Daniel, come on, open the door.
I ain't sure if someone was to sold that.
I'm not holding the...
I'll be right back.
That music sounds very Insidious type.
Daniel?
Oh. Just in front of you. And are you gonna drop every single match? It's gonna go very loud. It's the wrong light. That mask is well creepy. It's gonna be behind her, isn't it? Oh. So why would you turn slowly?
There you are.
That's a bit creepy.
What did I say?
I wasn't holding the door, I promise.
That's her.
Something in the closet.
I swear that was like her when she's dead. Whoa.
She said.
There's nothing in the closet.
You say that and then there's someone going to be in there. Oh. Ah, do you think she knew something was in there? And it's open. Because now you've called right, it is like Bloody Mary, isn't it? Where it'll always just be there. Whoa. Oh, so it had like a few good people doing the whole thing. That one sort of gave me like, the music reminded me of Insidious a lot, and then the woman, that reminds me of like Bloody Mary, like Candyman, what's the other film, like Mama as well, like the way she moved. But then the creature, whatever it was, that gave me a big hint to Dead Silence with the film The Dolls. That's what she just looked like to me, but this had a very good creepy feeling to it, especially just locking yourself in the wardrobe and doing a stupid game. You'd never catch me doing anything like that, especially stuff like Bloody Mary or Candyman or anything like that, because why would you mess with something when you know if it works it's going to kill you? So, but the parents just seemed at the end as well that they knew something was there, because the way they're just looking at each other and it's like, keep it shut, it's like, did they do something in that wardrobe? That the thing looked like her mum a bit. The mum looked a bit crazy anyway. It looked like she should have been locked up in a mental asylum. But let me know what you thought of this. And I've just realised why it's called Latch. Did I say it was Latch? What did I say it was at the start? I swear I said Latch. But I can see why it's called Latch now, to keep the door locked on the latch. Just don't go into a wardrobe and do stupid stuff. That's what I learn something every time from these films. Make sure the doors are locked. Make sure you don't go into a cupboard doing stupid games. And just don't do anything scary. But let me know, guys, what you thought of this. I really did enjoy it. Like I say, it gave a lot of Insidious vibes off it, the way that, like, with the cupboard and stuff, where I think it's the first or the second one, where he's got like the tub and he's speaking into it and it's going into the wardrobe and she jumps out the wardrobe, and yeah, it sort of gave me off them sort of vibes. But let me know what you thought of it. If you did enjoy it, please hit that like button. Like I said, comment down below what you thought. Please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to aim 750 subscribers. My brain is just jumbled today. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, we're trying to aim 750 before Christmas. That'd be amazing. Hopefully I'll have my PS4 a bit after Christmas, so I can start up live streaming for you guys. I want to try and get it before Christmas to maybe like live stream on Christmas for you guys. So yeah, I'll let you know more goes out on that. But like I said, if you did enjoy, please hit that like button. I'll be dominating Spud. I love you, Patatman Army. Oh guys, don't forget to stay starchy.